Hi, what's up, fellow traders? It's Prof. Tonight, I just want to share with you my technical perspective on the Nasdaq 100. Looking at this weekly time frame, one can see that this market is rising, and we are starting to have price trading inside this big expanding in an inverted expanding wedge. So, since this is a bullish market, this is a bearish reversal pattern. So I believe once this pattern reaches its apex, then it will take the market down in that manner. As you can see now, we're still even trading above this 200-day moving average, so we are still extremely bullish. So once we trade below these levels or below this average up to this somewhere here, then that's where we'll be having a strong bearish market. So looking at this pattern, it will give us an opportunity, and a great one, whenever the market declines. So that's the move that we'll be looking at in the long term. But for now, we're just going to check if we can have our sells or our buys looking at smaller time frames. As I take you to this daily time frame, I've got what we call a Quasimodo pattern. This is how it looks, guys. So I hope you see this picture on this daily time frame. Already I've marked my levels there, so I'm waiting to see what happens if we get this breakout of this important level here, which it was our previous structure support here. Again here it acted as resistance number 1. Now price action is trading over there. If we get a rejection, then obviously we might expect this market to decline in that manner. Then if not, this level is not going to hold, then the bulls break it, then we'll be looking at our QML if we get rejections from this level, so that we can take this market down in that manner. So this is simply how we're going to trade the QML pattern. Since we're trading at an important area, I'd like to check what do I see on these smaller time frames. On the H4, you can see that we still have that pattern, but now after this strong, I just want to put in my drawing tool again over there. After this initial rally, the market is in consolidation phase. It's a pause in a form of what? In a form of an ascending triangle. Again, let me show you how. You can see it. You can see that we have this strong rally, then the market is currently somewhere here on this one. So again here, it's so simple to trade this one. We just wait to see what happens around this level. If we have a strong close above this level, followed by a strong bullish candle, then we are buying this market. Why are we buying? We are looking at that pattern that I've just shown you from that picture over there. Then we will be targeting again this QML level there. If it's not going to hold, then we'll continue enjoying our up move up until it reaches those levels up high there. So this is an area of importance, guys. So even on a daily close of this level, then we are just buying this market up to this level. If this price is not going to hold, then that's the move that we will be enjoying. And again, if we get a rejection, I like to take it back to the daily again, because it shows clearer price action. You can see that after this strong push from this significant area, this is our first top. So again, if we close with a bearish candle here, then price fails to break above and start to trade even below this short-term rising here trend line, then we can say that this market has given us a top formation there. So if it tops from this level, which is another area of importance because of since this February decline, I think this correction is just over 70%. So from this 70% level, if this is going to be our top formation, then we'll wait for price to trade up to this neckline over there. Then once it breaks, then this is the move again that we can start to enjoy until this price goes down in that manner. So this is what one can look on the Nasdaq. So current price is trading at an area of interest, people. So a daily breakout of this level will expose price reaching this level, and if not, we get a rejection up to this level and it even trades below this, then we will say that no, that top formation is going to be tradable once we have a breakout of this neckline. Or you can go and check it on a smaller time frames, trade this decline up to this level, target this first level. Once this neckline is broken at an area of confluence, again, as you can see, it's confluence of the 200-day moving average, then we can target that move down like that. So this is simply what I see, guys, on the Nasdaq 100, basing my view just only on this technical chart, no fundamentals, no whatever. Yeah, so we'll just wait and see in the next sessions what happens, guys. If we get a rejection here, then we might have a nice entry of a sell, then target these areas over here until we decline further and on a strong bullish breakout, then we'll be buying this market. Okay, thank you very much and cheers, guys. Up until next time.